Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This Toshiba refrigerator inverter. Customer call me no cooling, no call and no power. See no light also. So I have checked it's no power at all. Its switch is turned on, but no light, no power. So see this is the model GRA28MU. This is the model number. So if it's no power, so to turn off it and remove the plug, then we have to remove this back cover. So actually problem this PCB board, so we have to change this PCB board. So this is the new PCB board. I bought it from Toshiba service center. Actually it's very easy to install it. So it's done, connector has fixed. So let's try. How is it? Turn it on. Alhamdulillah, there's a light. Yes, and cooling fan also is spinning. I can feel the noisy. Cooling fan also working. And now compressor also running. So actually it was problem only this PCB board. So it's really easy to change it and you can fix it by yourself.
So how is it inside cooling, right?
To final check.
It's cool.